a lot of the nigunim, for example, Vertiger, when he sings nigunim, I think sings them in a cantorial style, kind of.
Yeah.
He sings them like his, very much of it. It's a formal style. It's an older style. It's a Polish style. You sing them, I feel like, in a very innovative kind of American way, in a sense. At the same time, like you're saying you're imitating, hearing good classical singing also.
Yeah.
But the coloratura is all there also. There's this beautiful ornament. So I feel like you kind of invented this style in a way. Are there any particular inspirations for that? Were there singers who you listened to?
Well, but I listen to all the chazanim. I mean, there's no doubt about that. Listen to Yiddish singers, Sida Walarski, or I mean, at that time you heard Lebedov. You heard all these people that.
Label of Waldman was also.
Label of Waldman had.
He could do that too.
Yeah, he sang a lot of Yiddish songs actually.
Yes. And also when Yossele, I suppose Yossele your first influence.
That's my first influence, really.
Yeah. And when he sang a folk song, he sang it like a folk song.
My mother always used to tell me this, that I never needed any toys. I just needed one thing. I needed the Victrola, and she would stack up all of Yossele's records, and I would put them on one after another, and I would do that practically all day. Say you don't need any toys, and you didn't have to play. That's all you wanted to listen to is
Yossele Rosenblatt, 78?
78, of course. And I have to crank up the Victrola because it didn't work by electricity at the time.
Right.